What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing Animal Racing Part 2 because in the last one we lost the cockroach and we still can't find it. And let's go meet our contestants. Here is Pearl and then here's Harold. Let's go bring them to the stadium. Here's the stadium for Animal Racing Part 2. Here's our finish line. And here we have obstacles for the animals to cross. This is our holding tank to hold them, and then we'll let them out. And then, first one to pass the subscribe finish line wins. Let's go get the animals.
And Pearl's creeping.
All right, and Pearl is about to cross the finish line. Woo!